Okay, question from the forum: crypto trading / investing best practices. Is there a tutorial video about crypto trading investing best practices, do's and don'ts? Right now, there is no tutorial that we've made. I know Bill in the past has made a few videos or answered questions, but we do have Token Metrics Academy coming out. We also have a book coming out, and there'll be a chapter in there on TA done by Bill. But yeah, Bill, first, any best practices or trading guides or anything like that to share with our audience regarding trading and TA?
Yeah, I mean, just in general, not financial advice, of course, but I would say take risk management very, very seriously. If you're trading with too large of allocations of your portfolio, let's say you have $1,000 portfolio for easy math, and your trade sizes are $300, $400, $500, or heaven forbid $1,000. You're entering a trade with your entire portfolio. That's a recipe for disaster. That's a recipe for getting liquidated and losing all of your money very quickly. So as far as resources go, I don't have any off the top of my head, but I would say, find resources that talk about risk management, because if you understand risk management, if you understand risk management, you can actually be wrong more often than you're right and still be profitable. You can actually be wrong 55% of the time and correct 45% of the time, but still be profitable if you manage your risk correctly.
All right. Great words. Thank you, Forrest. Bill?
I think the most important thing you can do regarding at least TA is you're going to have to develop your own method, and that's going to be by trying yourself. Yes, I know that's unbelievable to try to go from a book to a position, but this segues off what Forrest said. If you have a certain amount of money and you want to start learning all things crypto, the best way to do it is to try and enter a position of some kind, a small position. This position will have a huge impact in terms of focusing your attention on how the market moves. That will then help your mind transition over and develop your own system for understanding, charting, or just navigating the market. If you are on a learning path, even if you get upset, you will probably remember, if you continue to learn and grow and expand, that your most important assets in crypto are the capital you have to trade with, and your personal sanity. So learning expands your mind. Expanding your mind leads to better decisions, which then leads to profitability. But you've got to have that initial position, and you've got to have the fortitude, and you've got to believe in yourself, so that you don't look at a YouTube video like this and go, wow, these guys are experts. I could never do this. No, you can do this. You're already doing it by listening to us. You're learning. If you have a chart, I started with a pencil and graph paper. That was a long time ago. But you have other ways to teach yourself how to navigate the market, or how to understand what's happening, or when you should trade and when you should not. So yes, this is an emotional game, but stay on the expanding pathway. Don't get caught in the tunnel vision of, I missed out, I can't do this. I mean, if everyone who was successful sat around and said that, no one would be successful. So consider that when you start trading in crypto.
All right. Thank you, Bill.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.